Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person you met at a party and enjoyed conversation with. You should say who was the person, what topics did you discuss, and how did you feel. So as you all can see, there are three questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these three questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Now the key point here is to notice that this question is asking about a conversation. So that doesn't mean that you will try to detail every little thing that you talked about because you just have 2 minutes and you also need to make sure that all of these three questions are answered before going into any kind of irrelevant elaboration, right? Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am an extrovert person and enjoy the company of different people, including men, women, and children. And today, I would like to talk about my father's best friend, Mr. Chatterjee, whom I met after a decade on the occasion of my parents' 25th anniversary party. Also, decade means a period of 10 years. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, last year, in the month of January, he had specifically traveled from Canada to India to be a part of the grand celebration. Additionally, he was aware about my keen interest in pursuing my higher education abroad, and hence he informed me about the well developed infrastructure, highly qualified professionals, as well as educational facilities available at the Canadian institutes. So, as you all can see, we have started answering the second question. We have used some very good adjectives here as well, like well developed infrastructure, highly qualified professional, instead of just saying that the teachers are good or just saying that it has good infrastructure. We are actually using specific adjectives, and all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Alright, so let's elaborate a little bit more on the second question, which is what topics did you discuss? Furthermore, he also resolved my queries pertaining to my future career goals as well as shared valuable insights about the job prospects related to my field of interest and provided me some useful resources to gather more knowledge about the same. So, pertaining means relating, and insights mean some kind of useful information, and prospects mean scope. So, what is the scope of the job that you would be doing there? I have seen students who just keep on repeating the word good so that you can get a good job, so that you can obtain a good career. These adjectives are more specific and will help you form a better answer. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, he emphasized on the added benefits of living abroad, including access to pollution free environment, state of the art medical facilities, as well as safety and security, which I should also take into consideration. So, emphasize means to lay stress on or to focus on. State of the art medical facilities again means the best medical facilities you can avail. So, instead of saying that it has good medical facilities, again we used a very good adjective to describe that. We used a very good phrase to describe that. So, you can make a note of all of these adjectives that we are using here in this question. Alright, so the last part of the question, which is how did you feel, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I was quite pleased and satisfied with the conversation that I had with him as he shared his first hand experiences, which in turn helped me to make an informed decision about my future. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.